Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to answer the question, how much can I transfer from First Abu Dhabi Bank? You see, FAB has different transfer limits depending on the type of transfer and your customer segment. The most common limits for online and mobile banking are, when it comes to transfers within your own FAB accounts, it is unlimited. Transfers within FAB to other FAB customers via online and mobile banking. For personal banking and business banking customers, it is $100,000 daily. For elite customers, it is $200,000 daily. For transfers within UAE to other banks via online and mobile banking, for personal banking and business banking customers, it is $100,000 daily. For elite customers, it is $200,000 daily. Now, for international transfers via online and mobile banking, for personal banking and business banking accounts or customers, it is $100,000 daily. $450,000 monthly. For transfers above this limit, the switch transfer option should be used. When it comes to elite customers, it is $200,000 daily. Monthly limit likely higher but not explicitly stated in available sources. For using SWIFT for larger amounts is generally recommended. The simplest way to confirm your specific limit is to always check directly within your FAB online banking portal or mobile app, or you can simply contact FAB customer service. Hope you found this video helpful.